San Francisco is a city of rolling hills, breathtaking views, and endless charm. From the sparkling waters of the bay to the colorful streets lined with Victorian houses, every corner offers something unique. This is a place where history meets modern energy, where iconic landmarks stand beside hidden gems waiting to be discovered. You can wander along the waterfront, explore vibrant neighborhoods, or take in sweeping panoramas from high above the city. Whether you come for the art, the food, the culture, or simply the atmosphere, San Francisco has a way of capturing hearts and creating memories that last a lifetime. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most photographed bridges in the world, and for good reason. Its bright orange towers rise high above the deep blue waters of the bay, creating a scene that is unforgettable in any weather. You can walk or cycle across its span for sweeping views of the city skyline, the Pacific Ocean, and the rolling Marin Hills. Fog often drifts around the bridge, giving it a magical and ever-changing appearance. Whether seen from up close or from a distance, this masterpiece of engineering and design is a symbol of San Francisco's beauty and spirit. Alcatraz Island sits in the middle of San Francisco Bay, rich with history and mystery. Once a federal prison that held some of the most infamous criminals in America, it is now a fascinating place to explore. A short ferry ride takes you to its rocky shores, where you can walk through the old cell blocks and hear stories of daring escapes. The island also offers stunning views of the city and the bay. With its mix of legend, history, and natural beauty, Alcatraz is an experience that stays with you long after you leave. Golden Gate Park is a vast green escape in the heart of the city, stretching for miles with gardens, lakes, and winding paths. You can stroll among colorful flowers, relax under towering trees, or rent a boat to glide across the calm waters. The park is also home to museums, a Japanese tea garden, and peaceful meadows perfect for a picnic. Each season brings its own beauty, from spring blossoms to golden autumn leaves. It is a place where you can slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy nature without leaving San Francisco. Fisherman's Wharf is one of the most lively and colorful areas of San Francisco. The air is filled with the scent of fresh seafood, and the waterfront buzzes with street performers, shops, and restaurants. You can watch sea lions lounging on the docks, explore historic ships, or enjoy a bowl of creamy clam chowder served in a warm sourdough bread bowl. The views of the bay, Alcatraz Island, and the Golden Gate Bridge make every stroll here unforgettable. It is a place full of energy, flavors, and sights that capture the spirit of the city. The cable cars of San Francisco are more than just transportation. They are moving pieces of history. Climbing the city's steep hills, they offer open-air rides with incredible views of streets, neighborhoods, and the sparkling bay. The sound of the bell and the rumble of the tracks create a feeling that is both nostalgic and exciting. Riding on the side, holding the rail, and feeling the breeze is a unique experience found nowhere else. These charming cars have been carrying passengers for over a century and remain a beloved symbol of the city's character. The Presidio is a beautiful blend of history, nature, and scenic views. Once a military post, it is now a sprawling park filled with trails, forests, and open fields. You can walk or bike through quiet pathways, discover hidden beaches, and enjoy breathtaking views of the Golden Gate Bridge. Historic buildings and cultural sites are scattered throughout, adding depth to its charm. The fresh ocean air, peaceful atmosphere, and wide open spaces make the Presidio a perfect place to relax, explore, and connect with the natural side of San Francisco. The Ferry Building is a historic landmark and a food lover's paradise on the San Francisco waterfront. Its tall clock tower has welcomed visitors for more than a century, and inside you will find a bustling marketplace filled with local flavors. Farmers sell fresh produce, bakers offer warm bread, and small shops showcase artisanal cheeses, chocolates, and coffee. On certain days, the outdoor farmers market fills the plaza with even more sights and scents. With its lively atmosphere and stunning views of the bay, the Ferry Building is a feast for both the eyes and the taste buds. Twin Peaks offers one of the most breathtaking views in all of San Francisco. These two hills rise high above the city, giving you a full panorama of the skyline, the bay, and the surrounding hills. On a clear day, you can see for miles, while at night, the twinkling lights create a magical scene. The fresh breeze and wide open sky make it a perfect spot for photography or simply taking in the beauty of the city. Whether you visit at sunrise, sunset, or under the stars, Twin Peaks leaves a lasting impression. Chinatown in San Francisco is a vibrant neighborhood filled with color, culture, and history. As you walk through its bustling streets, you will see ornate gates, red lanterns, and shops selling everything from fresh herbs to handmade crafts. The air is rich with the aroma of traditional dishes, inviting you to taste dim sum, noodles, and sweet pastries. Markets overflow with bright produce and unique ingredients. This is the oldest Chinatown in North America, and every corner tells a story. It is a place where tradition and community create an atmosphere unlike anywhere else in the city.